If you're looking for saving this Thanksgiving, well, you have come to the right place. Who needs to eat Thanksgiving and cranberry sauce this Thanksgiving? Wow, a lot of us. Well, you will learn how to get cash back on your groceries and get money back on all those ingredients that you need. Look at this. Free Thanksgiving dinner. We are dashing out cash back on turkey, potato, stuffing, and more. What? This is a butter. You can't beat this. Yes. Get 100% cash back on turkey, stuffing, potatoes, and more for a Thanksgiving dinner, which we know is going to be very expensive. Oh, by the way, this is the free merchandise lady. I just couldn't wait to tell you about this offer. So, now being said, look at this. Earn cash back online and in store. You can't beat it. And your information is safe and secure with our bot. We make sure of that. And this is so easy for you to save on those big bucks on your favorite brands like Walmart, Target, and more. And it will make saving time and money with a bottle. It would make it a breeze to shop your holiday shopping with a bottle. You can't beat that. Hey, I want to say happy Thanksgiving. Get cash back on those groceries for Thanksgiving dinner. You gotta do it. Look at this cash back. Again, cash back on turkey, stuffing, potatoes, and more. And not just that, for Thanksgiving. You could use this same for Christmas. Ain't no telling what they're going to have for that. But check it out. If you've never been with Ibotta, this is the time to join them. The link is below. Get started. You will love it. I had to tell you because we all need to save with these high prices on grocery. Yes, Ibotta is the place. Like I said, the link is below. This is the free merchandise lady. And thank you.